I'm here at ISCAR Cutting Tools today, and I'm joined by Martin, who looks after Ingersoll tools here for ISCAR. Martin, I know Ingersoll, you're known for doing things that maybe other companies don't want to do. Talk us through some of the products.
That's right, yeah, we've got a range of cutting tools that we're going to be showing here. We're going to be actually demonstrating some of our finishing tools on the machines later on an actual demonstration. Basically talking about different ways of programming, different ways of cutter paths, just to optimize the performance so you can get the best surface finish and the lowest flatness rates. So we're going to be talking about this tool here, which is a 16-edge octagonal insert, very low cost tool in terms of cost per unit. And we've also got some static displays here with some gear skiving tools and some other gear milling tools as well.
Two things I noticed. One, some of the tools are quite unusual, but also you get a lot of inserts in, a lot of productivity from Ingersoll.
Yes, very good. It's all about cost per unit. Certainly in the automotive industry, everybody's talking about how to reduce cost, and really it's cost and performance. So really you've got to have a tool that gets across the part in the correct amount of time, but obviously produces enough parts so you get a low cost per unit. So this is the typical type of tool here, 16-edged insert with a 16-edged wiper. So it gives you, if you calculate all of those inserts in there, but you divide it by 16 edges, the cost is relatively low.
So next week, what they're going to see, I know you've talked about a couple of products. Which products are they going to see next week, and what the dates?
So the dates are the 16th and 17th of October. We'll get that over first. One of the cutters we're going to be demonstrating is a 125mm version of this style of cutter, and we're going to be running a 160mm version of this cutter. So it's just going to be a question of running this tool across the billet and running that tool across the billet, maybe doing a couple of surface finish checks at the same time.
Thank you very much. So there we have it, 16th and 17th of October, which is next week. Come back and watch your tools in action at ISCAR.